I've been in the construction trade since the late 90s, and about 10 years ago I dumped into roofing by accident, worked for a mom and pop company, and had a knack for climbing on ladders and identifying problems. David and Kennedy, you know, everybody's made this a family environment. I think it's one of those places where I feel at home here. I typically focus on our commercial single-ply systems, TPO, fleece pack overlays, things like that. I'm also engaged actively in, multifamily shingle projects. They're fun, but they're complex. You've got to keep safety for the residents and our crews in mind. There's a lot of moving parts. There's equipment rolling around. There's trailers coming in and out with material being torn off and being brought in. So it's you've got to have your eyes peeled when you're doing lease. But fortunately, I've spent a lot of time in apartment complexes and on projects like that, and I've become very versed. And JMAR has done a wonderful job on all the apartment complexes we've done because we have such experience. We've got it down to a science. In my normal life, I like to spend time in my kitchen. I like to cook. And, you can grab a fork and a plate, but don't touch my pots, don't touch my pans, don't touch my knives. Just sit down and eat. So if you're in need of an evaluation of your existing commercial or multifamily roof system, give me a call. We'll come out, talk about your project, and see what we can do for you.